Hey guys, this is just a bit of a life update, and I'll try to keep it brief. So, I got back with an ex-partner from about 9 years ago. So, all my weekends I would normally edit videos or stream on Twitch, and I just give it up for spending time with her. We went on a couple of holiday lodges together, loads of dates. I even bought a A4 B9 as a reliable car for us to use holidays and stuff, which I ended up selling for a loss to her. She needed a reliable normal car really, because she's doing a lot of travelling to her stepmom's. So we planned to buy a house. I put down a deposit, I signed all the paperwork. So one night I went to her house, her daughter was there. We was reliving an argument that we had on holiday, because I made her a drink in a glass and she wanted it in a beer bottle, and obviously daughter didn't obviously like us talking, even though her daughter's like in her mid-20s. Really had nothing to do with it at all. So she decided to assault me, which kind of sucked because she just pretty much used her daughter as an excuse, like to leave me and just make me deal with all this shit alone. So now I'm just gonna go back to what I was doing, obviously making videos and working on cars and stuff. So that's pretty much what's happened in the last 12 to 16 months, something like that, 12 to 16 months. So here is a bit of an updated pictures and a bit of video of the Escort being finished. I hope you enjoy.